In the world of money, you have to see the future to win. Today, that future is artificial intelligence. AI is changing everything. From how we shop to how we drive, AI is behind it. And where there's change, there's opportunity. Big opportunity. Remember the early days of the internet? Those who saw the potential, who invested early, they made fortunes. AI is even bigger than the internet. It's the next industrial revolution. Don't be left behind. Investing in AI isn't just about making money. It's about being part of something huge. It's about owning a piece of the future. It's about securing your financial freedom. Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Then step into the world of AI investing. It's time to learn, grow, and profit from the technology that's shaping our world. Let's talk about financial freedom. It's not about being rich. It's about having choices. It's about not being trapped by a job or debt. And AI stocks can be your ticket to that freedom. Why AI stocks? Because they offer explosive growth potential. Think about it. As AI takes over more industries, the companies behind it will skyrocket in value. Your money will grow exponentially. But it's not just about quick profits. AI stocks are a long-term investment. The companies you invest in today will be the giants of tomorrow. They will shape our world for decades to come. So, are you ready to break free from the rat race? Are you ready to build a secure future for yourself and your family? Then embrace the power of AI stocks. Investing in AI might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Remember, even the biggest journeys start with a single step. Here's what you need to know to get started. First, you need a brokerage account. It's like a bank account for your investments. There are many online brokers to choose from, each with its own fees and features. Do your research and find one that fits your needs. Next, understand market trends. The stock market has its ups and downs. Don't panic and sell when prices dip. Instead, focus on the long-term potential of AI. Finally, never invest more than you can afford to lose. The market can be unpredictable. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence. Remember, knowledge is power. Educate yourself about AI, the market, and investing strategies. The more you know, the smarter your decisions will be. Now comes the exciting part. Finding the AI companies that will make you rich. This is where your detective skills come in. You need to research, analyze, and separate the winners from the losers. Start by looking at industries being revolutionized by AI. Healthcare, finance, transportation, these are just a few examples. Identify companies leading the AI charge in these sectors. Next, check out their financials. Are their revenues growing? Are they profitable? A company's financial health is a strong indicator of its future success. Don't forget to read industry reports and analyst opinions. These provide valuable insights into the market and specific companies. Remember, information is key. The more you know about a company, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Digging deeper, analyzing AI companies. Finding promising AI companies is just the first step. Now you need to dig deeper and analyze their true potential. Remember, knowledge is your most powerful asset in the world of investing. Look beyond the hype. Don't be swayed by fancy marketing or buzzwords. Focus on the fundamentals. Does the company have a solid business model? Do they have a competitive edge? Examine their management team. Are they experienced leaders with a proven track record? A strong management team is crucial for navigating the ever-evolving world of AI. Consider the company's partnerships and collaborations. Are they working with industry leaders? Strategic alliances can be a powerful indicator of future success. Remember, investing is like playing chess. You need to think several moves ahead. By analyzing AI companies thoroughly, you'll be well positioned to make strategic investments. Deciphering the code. Understanding stock data. Stock charts and financial reports might seem like a foreign language at first, but don't worry. With a little effort, you can learn to decipher the code and unlock valuable insights. Start with the basics. Understand key metrics like earnings per share, price-to-earnings ratio, and return on equity. These numbers tell a story about a company's profitability and growth potential. Learn to read stock charts. Candlestick charts, line charts, and bar charts can reveal trends, support levels, and resistance levels. This information can help you make informed buying and selling decisions. Pay attention to trading volume. High volume can indicate strong interest in a stock. Conversely, low volume might suggest investor apathy. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand stock data, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market and make informed investment decisions. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio. Even the most promising AI companies can face unexpected challenges. That's why it's crucial to diversify your portfolio and spread your risk. Don't put all your money into one stock, no matter how promising it seems. Instead, invest in a basket of AI companies across different sectors. This way, if one company falters, your entire portfolio won't suffer. Consider investing in AI ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These funds track a basket of AI-related stocks, providing instant diversification. It's like buying a slice of the entire AI pie. Remember the old adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to protecting your investments and maximizing your chances of success in the volatile world of AI stocks. Riding the waves, managing risks in AI investing. Investing in the stock market, especially in a high-growth sector like AI, comes with inherent risks. But remember, risk and reward often go hand in hand. Market volatility is normal. Prices fluctuate, sometimes dramatically. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Instead, view it as an opportunity to buy more of your favorite stocks at a discount. Set realistic expectations. Don't expect to get rich overnight. AI investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay the course, and let your investments grow over time. Have a plan and stick to it. Determine your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. This will help you make rational decisions, even when the market gets bumpy. Remember, investing is like surfing. You need to learn to ride the waves, not get wiped out by them. By managing risk effectively, you can enjoy the exhilarating ride and reap the rewards of AI investing. Weathering the storm market volatility and stock fluctuations. The stock market is like the ocean, sometimes calm, sometimes stormy. Volatility, those ups and downs, is part of the game. Don't let it scare you, be prepared for it. When the market drops, and it will, don't panic. Remember why you invested in AI in the first place. The long-term potential hasn't changed. Think of dips as discounts. You can buy more of your favorite stocks at lower prices. This is how you build wealth over time. Volatility is a test of your emotions. Don't make decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and ride out the storm. Remember, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be bumps along the way, but by staying calm and focused, you can weather any storm and come out ahead. The rewards of AI investing, a recap. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's recap the incredible rewards of AI investing. Financial freedom. AI stocks offer the potential for life-changing profits, giving you the financial freedom to live life on your terms. Owning the future. Investing in AI means owning a piece of the future. You'll be supporting the technologies that will shape our world for decades to come. Exponential growth. As AI continues its rapid expansion, the companies you invest in today could grow exponentially, multiplying your wealth over time. Beating inflation, AI stocks have the potential to outpace inflation, ensuring your money retains its value and purchasing power in the long run. Remember, investing in AI is not just about making money, it's about securing your financial future and being part of something truly transformative. Take action. Start your AI investing journey today. You've learned about the incredible potential of AI investing. You've gained insights into researching companies, analyzing data, and managing risks. Now, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your knowledge and portfolio grow. Open a brokerage account, fund it, and begin researching AI companies. There are countless resources available online and in libraries to guide you. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but by staying informed, managing risks, and staying focused on your goals, you can achieve financial success through AI investing. Now go out there, make smart investments, and share your success stories with the world.